If you have ever wanted to run Linux, test another version of Windows, or safely experiment with software without touching your main system, then VirtualBox is one of the best tools you can use. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install VirtualBox on Windows in 2026 step by step. This works on Windows 11, Windows 10, and even most low-end PCs. The setup is completely free, beginner friendly, and only takes a few minutes. So let's jump right into it. Step 1. Download VirtualBox. First, open your browser. Now search for VirtualBox. Open the official VirtualBox website and here you will see the latest version available for download. Under the Platform Packages section, click on Windows Host. The installer will start downloading. And while that's downloading, let me quickly explain why so many people use VirtualBox. VirtualBox basically lets you create a virtual computer inside a real computer. So instead of replacing Windows, you can run another operating system alongside it. For example, Ubuntu Linux, Kali Linux, older Windows version, even Android operating systems. It's super useful for testing apps, learning Linux, coding, or experimenting safely without risking your main PC. Once the download finishes, open the installer. If Windows asks for permission, just click Yes. Now the VirtualBox setup window will appear. Click Next. Here you can choose where you want VirtualBox installed. Most people can leave this as default. You might now see a warning saying your internet connection will temporarily disconnect during installation. That's completely normal because VirtualBox installs its own network drivers. Just click Yes, then click Install. Now wait a few moments while everything installs. Once the installation is complete, make sure the option to launch the VirtualBox is checked. Then click Finish and that's it. VirtualBox is now successfully installed on your Windows PC. So yeah, that's how you install VirtualBox on Windows in 2026. Now you can run Linux, test operating systems, learn virtualization or safely experiments with software directly from your PC. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe because I'm uploading more Windows, Linux, VirtualBox, Cloud PC and tech tutorials regularly. Let me know in the comments which operating system you want to install inside VirtualBox first. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.
You know why?